think the beauty of the space is you walk in, you really know what we're all about right away. We've had multiple people that come in and are just wowed by the space. They want to work here, they want to continue to work here. And the feedback we've gotten has been incredible. People are coming here to have meetings. We're scheduling lunches and happy hours here, all things that are bringing people together. And we think that's really important for our business and to share kind of our culture and what we're all about.
I think people want to come to a place where they were invested in by their company, and this space is reflective of that. Pursuit brought us in to help take their old, tired space that wasn't supporting the company that they wanted to be and flip it on its head and turn it into a space that was going to support who they were going to be into the future, and we were able to do that for them. The leadership team was not going to cut any corners. They knew that creating a space that supported their staff was really important, and their people realize it and they come here because they just feel better about work.
Pursuit really benefited from our full suite of services. Our workplace strategists are there early to help the client really understand what their needs are for the headquarters, and for us to really understand what works and what doesn't work about where they are today and what they want out of their future space. Once we understand what they need and what we're looking for, our transaction managers, our brokers, they go out and find locations that meet those needs. We do tours, they select properties, we negotiate strong lease points. Then our workplace designers get involved, and they help with the fit and finish and layout of the space so it flows the way that the client wants it to flow. And once it's designed, our project managers are there to oversee, like a conductor of an orchestra, really oversee the design and construction project as well as the relocation and furniture procurement. We're there on day one when Pursuit was first trying to figure out, we have this headquarters thing we need to deal with. How are we gonna go after it? To the day they move in and they're operating in the space, from strategy to implementation.
The value that Cresa provided throughout this process was invaluable and probably immeasurable. The dynamics of our old space weren't really conducive to the new culture that we're trying to promote around here. You know, there was a lot of intentional design to the space to promote collaborative efforts, even so much as the workstations that you've seen here today with the lower walls and stuff like that, to see people just leaning over the wall, chatting amongst themselves as a team. We're building this patio with a beautiful view of the pond and speakers out there where we can play some music on a Friday afternoon and have a couple of beers together and learn more about each other outside of our work lives.
So as CEO of the company, one of the big things that I promote is engagement, collaboration, and creating a community. And this space has really enabled us to do that. We have conference spaces, we have community spaces. It really brings people together, makes them work better, more efficiently, and those are all the things that I'm looking for out of my staff so that we can continue to grow and evolve our business.
So our new office space here, our new corporate headquarters in Latham, is one of the best things we've ever done for our company, for our staff. Everybody that's coming into the space now certainly feels proud of that effort and hopefully carries that forward in years to come.